Ano pa yung sekreto na ginawa nyo bukod sa maganda yung partnership nyo na bakit tinangkilik ng mga tao etong samgyup sa bahay? Ano yung unique na meron yung business nyo?
Let's start dun sa kung paano talaga namin siya sinimulan. Naging unique dun, or unique selling proposition namin nung start namin is kami yung first ever samgyupsal delivery in the Philippines, no? And because of that, we get to position, syempre may gagaya at gagaya along the way. Hindi yan mawawala in terms of
Lalo't
business.
pandemic noon.
Yes. Kumbaga, tinanggap na namin yon. But we have the largest market share. But the real secret inside Samgyup sa Bahay is the continuous innovation.
Yes.
Diba? So, nag-start kami ng delivery lang. Even delivery kami, yung menu namin nagbabago. Tapos, nung napunta na rin kami, dine-in and delivery na kami. Kasi right now, we have our restaurants na. So, unlimited samgyupsal na siya. And we have the delivery pa rin as well. Continuous innovation talaga. Hindi pwede kung paano ka nag-start is may stock ka na lang.
Yes.
And yung innovation, not only into food, also in the system, in the marketing, finance, HR. Siguro, let's say, all facets of the business should be continuous yung innovation.
Yes.
Hindi pwede na kung sino ka last month is ganun ka pa rin today. Siguro yun yung pinaka naging secret bakit naging continuous yung pag-grow ni Samgyup sa Bahay.